Hello and welcome to Easy Trick App channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to send a PDF file on Messenger. Sending a PDF file can be necessary at times, especially when you need to share your important documents. Here are the steps to send PDF file on Messenger. Now to send a PDF file on Messenger, you first need to head over to your file manager, and from there you need to search for your PDF file. Open your file, and in here you will have this option to share on the top right side of your screen. Click on that, and below on the bottom left side of your screen you can see we have this option to create a link. Simply create a link, just wait for a couple of seconds, and here you will be able to see that we have this option to copy our link. You can copy this and head over to Messenger from your phone and simply share your link with anyone you want, and that's how you can share your PDF file with anyone you like. I hope this video was helpful, and that's it. You have successfully sent a PDF file on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.